In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram not letting you log in. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It happens due to different reasons. The first reason is due to the Instagram server. Maybe the server is down, that's why you are facing this issue. Another reason is your Instagram is not updated, that's why it's crashing again and again and not letting you in. So for this, open the Play Store and click on the search bar and write Instagram and make sure your Instagram is up to date. Once you confirm it's up to date, what you can do, open your Instagram application and try to log in. If it's not again letting you in, then open your mobile phone setting. In the setting, look for the app. Here, click on the option Manage Apps and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Take a look on the bottom, you can see three options. Click on the option Clear Data and click on the option Clear Cache and clear all the cache files. If it did not work, then click on it and tap on the option Clear All Data. Once you will click on the option Clear All Data, it will delete all the files which may be encrypted, and due to that file, you are not logging in. The last way is click on the option Uninstall and uninstall the application and reinstall it from the Google Store. After reinstalling, make sure you have a good internet connection. Due to slow connection, this problem may be occurred. After doing all this, your problem will be solved, and that's it.